It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In this video, we will be talking about NIO stock, the ticker symbol, of course, NIO. We're going to take a look here at an article from fxstreet.com. Of course, I'm not going to read the entire article. That's up to you. Do that quick Google search. You can catch it on your own time in its entirety. NIO stock news and forecast. Chinese techlash pushes shares below critical $40 level. Here are some of the bullet points for the article. NIO shares get caught in yet another China crackdown. NIO is not involved, but guilty by association as Chinese stocks suffer. Tesla results on Monday were solid. NIO is a peer. For many of you that don't know, a lot is going on in China as it comes to their laws and as it comes to their stocks. A lot of stocks have gone down massively. Since NIO is a Chinese stock essentially, that kind of lends to negative sentiment. And what we're talking about with negative sentiment is the news here. So anything that is associated with China at the moment financially could have a negative impact. NIO is one of those, for example. Look here. NIO stock continues to be stuck in a sideways range since retreating from a failure to break above resistance at $54.86 back in early July. Since then, the stock has retreated as US and China tensions grow increasingly fractured and vociferous. Today we have US Defense Secretary talking tough on confrontation, and China yesterday described relations between the two countries as being at a stalemate. Look, people, this is why I always say it's important. It is massively important to keep your eye out on the news, because any day something random like this could happen. The news is negative. What happened to the price with NIO and other Chinese stocks? Boom, it plummeted down. It's not a big jump down, but it is a retracement, which also offers to a new opportunity. Just a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. When you do the homework and you do the research, you will come out winning. Bank on it. But anyway, as we continue, things are not great right now in China, and for NIO, it's not looking great in the short term. But we must continue. NIO shares are taking the news badly and are trading lower in Tuesday's pre-market at $42.31. Down 2%. I think currently it's actually down a bit more than that. We're going to check on that briefly. NIO stock forecast. Wow, this is getting increasingly tough to call. $40.48 is the small short-term support. The low from July 19th. Breaking it confirms the series of lower lows and so a downtrend. Holding it gives bulls some hope. Breaking $40.48 brings $33 as our next support zone to try, as this is where the recent run took off from, but use a stop as we are not too confident in this level based on the light volume here, and also consider what's going on in China. FX Street's preference is the zone at $27 as the volume is greater here. Any recovery needs to take out $46.89 on the way to $54.86. Breaking 40.48, however, could get things moving lower as the volume gets very thin from $37 to $27. So definitely keep that in mind when it comes to NIO. So let's take a look at NIO over the last 5 days. It is down nearly 10%. At the current time of the video, NIO is going for $39.92 as it just moved. For the day, it is down 7.70%. NIO is down, and if it doesn't climb back up, we could be headed further south. But just remember here, look at the last 5 days. NIO was at $46, heading its way down. This is just another buying opportunity. Remember, NIO could very well find its way at $46 again. The question is, how much are you willing to wait until NIO bounces and does that reverse? It is totally up to you, being that things could go further down south, therefore giving you a better opportunity to accumulate. TipRanks.com here. Here's the stock analyst. I like to go to this, especially when the news is crazy, just to keep perspective on things and the end goal. Look at the analyst ratings right here. The consensus is a strong buy. The sentiment is bullish. The trend has increased for hedge funds. We know hedge funds do not like to lose. TipRanks investors, it's very negative. This is in light of the news of China, as you just heard. News sentiment in the last 7 days, it is bullish, but I'm pretty sure it might turn bearish as more news comes in. Here is the analyst forecast and price targets here for the 12-month price targets. Out of 7 analysts, we have 7 buys. 0 tell you to hold, 0 tell you to sell. This is just temporary. NIO will recover. NIO will be all good. On the low end, NIO goes for $57. On the average, we got $66.86. And on the high, they got NIO going for $81. So there is definitely room to recover here for NIO. Keep this in mind. Always laser focus when it comes to this thing. It ain't over because you see the price dipping. It just means get in when it's dipping. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so we could have more videos and we could have more eyes seen on this video. Have it move through that YouTube algorithm. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs down. It's all good. It's a free country. The news ain't gonna stop. I'm not gonna stop either. If you haven't already, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you can stay notified, informed, and up to date. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.